Let's talk about cooking and housework. Do you have breakfast at home every day?
Yes,
Mm-hmm. What housework do you dislike?
all of it. I would say cleaning the bathrooms is probably the one that, and scrubbing the floors. Two of my
Mm-hmm.
least favorite.
By the way, who prepares the breakfast at home, in your home?
Typically, it is shared, but my husband and I pretty much do an even amount on that one.
Mm-hmm. Great. What housework do you like?
Housework do I like? Um, Dusting. I do not mind dusting, and laundry.
Mm-hmm. Do you want to learn how to cook well?
I already cook fairly well, but I'm not opposed to learning techniques to improve.
Mm-hmm. Do you like cooking?
I do, but it's not a passion. I enjoy putting out a meal that everybody enjoys that tastes good. But I also have to admit that there are times that it is a chore to come up with something else to make something different.
Mm-hmm. Who is responsible for housework and cooking in your home?
It is shared. We have my husband and I switch it off, but I would say most of the housework and most of the cooking does fall on my shoulders.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.